Here's a short video on how you can copy an application in Expert Pro. Copying an application is useful if you have all your clients' details in an existing application and need to duplicate the information in a new application for them. There are two ways to copy an application on Expert Pro. The first option is useful if you have an application for a client but have not created a client profile. The second option is to copy an application when there is an existing client profile for the applicant. To copy an application when you have not created a client profile for the applicant, start by clicking on Applications in the left navigation pane. It will take you to your applications list. Locate the client and their application and click on View Applications. Under View Applications, locate the Copy Application button at the bottom and click on it. Confirm that you want to copy the application, and you will be presented with a pop-up. Select the options as per your requirements and click on Copy Application. You will then be redirected to the new copy of the application. The second option is useful if you already have a client profile for your client. To copy an application when you have an existing client profile for the applicant, start by locating the board where your client profile is located. To do this, click on Boards in the left navigation pane. Once you have located the board and the client profile for the client whose application you want to copy, click on the profile. Once you are in the client profile, scroll down to the section which says Client Applications. You'll notice a Copy Application button under the client's application. Confirm that you want to copy the application, and you will be presented with a pop-up. Select the options as per your requirements and click on Copy Application. You will then be redirected to the new copy of the application. That's how you can copy an application on Expert Pro.